This video, I ain't trying to get you fired up. I'm trying to get you driven. Driven. There's a big difference. You can find motivation in thousands and thousands of videos. How long is it gonna last? How long is it gonna last? Make yourself better. Circumstances are not gonna be perfect. They never are. There will never be a perfect moment in time to do something great. But you gotta make a sacrifice and put your head down and get it done. Success comes when there's no longer an option, no longer a choice. It's do or die. Demand success from yourself. Motivation can be loud, can be quiet, or even silent. Silence the noise around you. I don't want or need someone else to support my dreams. Create and overcome your own struggles in life. Orchestrate your life. Excuses are tools for the weak. Consistency is harder when no one is clapping for you. You must clap for yourself during these times. You should always be your biggest fan. Never allow anyone to stifle your dream. Demand the very best from you. Don't spend your life just crawling. Recognize the fact that you have wings. There's been wings that's been given to you. Learn how to fly. In order to use those wings, you gotta stop idolizing other people's lives. We need to start by spreading our own wings and design a life of our own that we are proud and excited about. Be proud of who you are. Be proud of what you do. Be so proud that you're unfazed by what anyone else has going on. The need to compare yourself to what everybody else has going on is unnecessary. It's your job to build your life, a life that you love. Spread your wings. Don't try to spread everybody else's until you're the one that's soaring. Remember, you never have to dim someone else's light in order to shine bright. Your greatness doesn't depend on anyone else's success. We can all shine bright.
I'll do whatever it takes. And the reason why some of you can't get to that next level, you don't have enough stuff in you to push you to get through some of the hell you gotta go through. That house ain't gonna get you through that hell. That car ain't gonna get you through that hell. Humans do not transition to another level when they're comfortable with the level that they're on. You only go to another level when you're on this level and you eat out of trash cans and you say, enough is enough. You only transition from one level to the next when you're tired of the level you are. You don't transition in life if you're happy with where you are. And the problem with some of you is you happy being broke.
If you look at the people in your circle and don't get inspired, then you don't have a circle, you have a cage. Not everyone close to you wants to see you win. Are you listening to me? Not everybody that's in your circle wants to see you win. There will come a point when you have to stand on your own 2 feet alone.